Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to link pages in Notion. So from your home page, I'm going to have a look on the left-hand side. This is where my different Notion pages are. So I've got a couple of different ones here. So say I want to link my daily planner to my calendar. So let's do that. So I'm going to click on my daily planner. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to add in / and link. And different options will come up, and you can see at the top it says link to page. I'm going to click on that. So you have options to link to different pages. You can create a new page, or I can scroll down and find the one I want to link to, which is my calendar. So all I need to do is click on there, and you can see it's linked to my calendar now. So I can easily just click on there and it'll take me straight to my calendar. So that's how to link pages in Notion. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.